Marvelon tablets are combined oral contraceptive pills (COCs) used mainly to prevent pregnancy. They contain a combination of estrogen and progestin hormones. 1. Ingredients composition. Each active tablet contains Desogestrel 0.15 mg 150 micrograms, Ethinylestradiol 0.03 mg 30 micrograms. Other inactive ingredients may include lactose, starch, povidone, stearic acid, and silica. 2. Indications uses. Main use. Prevention of pregnancy oral contraceptive. Sometimes doctors also prescribe it for regulation of menstrual cycle, reduction of menstrual pain, treatment of acne related to hormones, management of heavy menstrual bleeding. Primary approved indication is contraception. 3. Dose and how to use. Typical regimen. 21-day pack. Take 1 tablet daily for 21 days. Then 7 days tablet-free interval. Start the next pack on day 8. 28-day pack. Take 1 tablet daily for 28 days continuously. First 21 tablets active, last 7 placebo tablets. Important instructions. Take at the same time every day. Start preferably on day 1 of menstrual cycle. 4. Contraindications do not use in. Marvelon should not be used in patients with history of thrombosis (DVT) or pulmonary embolism, stroke or myocardial infarction, severe liver disease or liver tumors, hormone-dependent cancers, breast, genital, unexplained vaginal bleeding, known or suspected pregnancy, severe hypertension or vascular disease, migraine with neurological symptoms, hypersensitivity to drug components. 5. Side effects. Common side effects: nausea, headache, breast tenderness, mood changes, weight gain, breakthrough bleeding, spotting. Serious rare side effects: blood clots, thromboembolism, stroke or heart attack, severe hypertension, liver problems. 6. Precautions warnings. Use cautiously in women greater than 35 years who smoke, higher cardiovascular risk, hypertension, diabetes, migraine, obesity, family history of thrombosis. Other precautions. Medical evaluation before starting. Avoid smoking. Stop immediately if signs of clot appear, leg pain, chest pain, sudden breathlessness. Check mark summary. Class. Combined oral contraceptive. Active ingredients. Desogestrel plus ethinylestradiol. Dose. 1 tablet daily. Main use. Prevent pregnancy.